welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we're gonna do take 2 of Gershion Polygel Kit because I actually recorded 2 different looks because I was trying to do something different with the kit. So this is my actual 1, but it's gonna be take 2. So I'm going in with the base coat, and I've already prepped my nails, and that means pushing back the cuticles, cutting dead skin, buffing your nail bed lightly, and putting a primer and a dehydrator. And then you want to glue on your tips. Once you glue on your tips, you want to buff out your tips, and then you are putting a base coat. So once you put that base coat, you cure for 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with number 22, which is this really pretty glitter pink. It's honestly my obsession. I'm obsessed with this pink. So I put it on my thumb and I put it on my ring finger. So after I did that, you cure for 60 seconds. You do want to make sure that your apex is being built properly. I just want to take a quick moment to shout out all of y'all for supporting me. I checked my analytics and I had like 4,000 views this week, so I was like, what? It's crazy. But I did notice that my subscriber to non-subscriber ratio was like really different. I had 70% of people that were not subscribed watching me compared to people that were subscribing me. So if you are watching this video and you enjoy, please consider hitting that subscribe button. That'll really help this channel out. I really love all of y'all. You guys are awesome. This community is awesome, and I thank you so much for watching. After I cured that, I'm using the pure white, and this white I really loved. This consistency I really loved as well. So shout out to Gershion, who is consistently upping their consistent game. Their consistency game. So props to y'all. I am using this white to kind of do like a French tip, but a reverse French tip, and I thought it was so odd at first. And I basically wanted to do white in my nail bed and then glitters on my tips. So y'all gonna see how it looks. Alright, so that's all done, and now I'm starting with my glitters. And I already said in my last video when I did the thorough breakdown of how the kit looks and stuff like that, these glitters were really great. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Other glitters that I've used, they're very, very sticky. This glitter was not sticky at all, so thank you, Gershion. I did go in, put some glitter on that tip, and then I added some stars. So it is my take 2 because it's kind of similar style and color theme that I went with, but I just wanted to do kind of something different. So I'm gonna add in the cards right now, how I did in my first unboxing tutorial. So hope y'all enjoy. Just obsessed with all these glitters. Can I just tell you, you can do so many different looks with these glitters. So I thought it was very, very cute. So I went in with Gershion Clear, and I didn't use the clear that I got in this kit because if you saw my other video, the clear wasn't clear, and I didn't understand why, because this clear that I have, it's pretty clear, and this kit, the clear that I got here, It's sold separately on Amazon, so I'll link that below. But this clear is actually, you know, clear compared to the clear that came in the kit. So I didn't understand why the clears were different. I'm not gonna lie. But anyhow, I did just clear cap everything because, you know, since I did 2 different colors and I also added some stars, I didn't want anything to get messed up when I was filing down. So definitely want to encapsulate things with clear. That way your work doesn't go, you know, to waste. So I shaped, file, and buffed my nails off camera, and they just look so crisp. I love the way they look after you do a fresh buff and file. It looks so amazing. But anyhow, after I did cleanse my nails with some alcohol, you just want to get rid of all the dust and make sure that it's, you know, not around your cuticle and your nail or anything like that. So it'll be a lot easier when you're trying to apply top coat. I went in with some beautiful gems that I found. Well, I think these are way bigger than gems. These are huge rhinestones that I found on Amazon. I'll definitely link them down below. I did end up using the Bruno top coat because that top coat is a lot thicker than the Gershion one. So I just did that and did like a 10-second cure just to put it in place. And then I put in some more little rhinestones next to the big one. After I put my cute little caviar beads, I went in and just put some top coat on the rest of my nails. And of course, top coat makes everything come back to life. Like now you can finally see the stars, you can finally see the glitter. Then you cure for 60 seconds and that is it. Put some cuticle oil on to make the look complete because nothing is complete without cuticle oil, y'all. Look how cute this came out though. I really love this kit, I'm not gonna lie. I think that the consistencies were amazing, the colors were pretty, and the only thing I was disappointed about was the clear, but hey, I can work around the clear. I have other clears that I can definitely use, or builder gels that I can use, so that wasn't too big of an issue. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that share button, that notification bell, and if you're not a part of the DIY Familia yet, make sure you consider subscribing to this channel so you can get new videos every week. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.